Hello Shiba inu holders, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Once again, I'm talking about the Shiba inu price update, Shiba inu price changes over. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Shiba inu in the market is 0.00007 USD dollar. Guys, that is currently a live price of Shiba inu in the market, guys. And furthermore, if you study the price chart, the price changes, the changes over in the Shiba price. So you can see here, last 1 hour update is positive, last 1 day, last 24 hours changes is negative, and last 1 week change is also positive 8.69%. so that's meaning, guys, that from last 1 week, Shiba inu price pump for a short time. Here's last 1 month price chart, and you can see here, guys, absolutely a lot of time Shiba inu price falls down in September, but now you can see here, guys, gradually now at the last, as I show you guys in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour update is positive. So that's why, guys, I believe that it is the last of September, so higher possibility that Shiba inu price will come, guys. So that's why I recommend for you that it's a patience time. Please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos.